So, oh my gosh, Robert, oh, look, incredible.
Yep.
You know, so.
You want teeth? You got to come right here. This is the place to come. Best around.
Absolutely. Where dental magic happens. I mean, come on, show us how you put your lower teeth close to your nose. Come on, try. It doesn't work. Unbelievable.
I can't do it.
Wow.
Before, my jaw would come out to here.
Yeah.
Now, the top ones are over the bottom ones, and my grandchildren won't have to cry and look the other way when I eat, because I scared them.
Oh, yeah.
Because my jaw went way out every time I would chew.
Oh, my gosh.
And the poor little grandchildren, they're looking at me going, what's the matter with Pops?
Yeah. So, if you're scaring your grandchildren, come to see us, and this is where dental magic happens.
It does. Definitely does.
Awesome.
And the price thing was...
Fit your budget?
It hit my budget, and I can make the payment.
Awesome.
And I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, you got to get in here and get these implants done.
Absolutely. So, Yomi, no stackable guides, and a class 3 bite with 200% overclosure. Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Yeah. I'm as surprised as you are.
Are you? No, I know you're not.
Yeah.
You probably done 2 million of them.
1.9.
But I don't know. Just look at the difference right there, and it's just unreal.
I know. And it's something that you've been living with for decades.
Well, I was living with this kind of teeth for about 39 years.
Wow. That's amazing. I'm so happy for you.
And I was biting holes in the side of my jaw and everything that goes with it. And biting my lip and my tongue all the time.
Yeah. Wow.
Now I don't have to worry about none of that.
Robert, we're so happy for you.
Thank you so much, Doctor. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I wish there was something I could do for you.
Just tell friends, family, neighbors.
Well, I'm going to do that.
Awesome.
I've been doing